Computer works in teams where your organization already operates. Access Computer directly in Teams without having to go to the Perplexity app on a desktop or phone. To start using Computer in Teams, go to the Teams app marketplace and search for Perplexity Computer, or ask a Teams admin to install it. The first time Computer is queried, Teams will ask the user to sign in. Review the permissions, select Allow, and complete setup. There are two ways to work with Computer in Teams: in a direct message or in a channel or group message. DM Computer to kick off individual projects, early drafts, or work that belongs outside a shared channel. Starting a direct message with Computer works like messaging a colleague. Type the prompt in natural language and send it. If you haven't connected to a tool you want to use, you'll be prompted to connect to it. After authorizing the connector, Computer will proceed with the task. Computer may ask clarifying questions before starting. Answering them helps it understand the goal, the scope, and the expected output. To bring Computer into a shared project, open the relevant channel or group message. Tag Computer in the message box and describe the task in plain language. This approach works well when other teams need visibility or want to contribute context. Computer may ask clarifying questions, then begin working on the task independently. Refine the prompt to change the output or request additional deliverables. Computer can handle all the same tasks in Teams as in the web app itself. It can search the web and pull in information from an organization's connected tools, create all types of content, and analyze business data, support recurring tasks and longer-running workflows over time, produce reports, dashboards, presentations, apps, and websites. Set up a public Teams channel for teams to run Computer tasks. It builds familiarity with AI across the organization and allows others to learn from one another on how AI is being used.